Lesson 2, Embracing Differences. Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is a course on diversity, equity, and inclusion. In today's lesson, we'll be focusing on the importance of embracing differences, while we also explore the different dimensions of diversity and learn to appreciate the cultural differences, the experiences, and discuss strategies of embracing diversity within our projects. Let's get started. Topic 1, exploring the different dimensions of diversity. Diversity goes beyond just race and gender. We need to consider the different dimensions, such as age, disability, socioeconomic status, sexual orientation, and so much more. Each person brings a unique experience to the table, a perspective of their own that enriches our projects and promotes innovation. Encourage open conversations and create a safe space for individuals to share their experiences and perspectives. Topic 2, appreciating cultural differences and experiences. Cultures vary across the world, and it's important to celebrate and respect these differences. Take time to educate yourself about different cultures, practices, and traditions. Encourage cultural exchange and create opportunities for individuals to share their cultural backgrounds. Foster inclusive environments where everyone can feel valued, respected, regardless of their cultural backgrounds. Topic 3, strategies for embracing diversity within our projects. Ensure diversity in recruitment and hiring processes. Actively seek out individuals from various backgrounds. Implement inclusive policies and practices that support diversity and eliminate bias within our projects. Promote diversity and inclusion training for team members to raise awareness and promote understanding. Encourage collaboration, teamwork that allows diverse perspectives to come together and achieve better results. Create mentorship opportunities to support the individuals and underrepresented backgrounds and provide them with guidance and growth opportunities. This is crucial for fostering an inclusive and innovative environment by exploring the different dimensions of diversity and appreciating cultural differences and experiences, implementing strategies for embracing diversity within our projects so we can create more equitable and inclusive futures for all. Thank you so much for joining us in this lesson. In the next lesson, we will go even deeper into the challenges of biases, and I encourage you to stay tuned and remember to embrace differences every day.